So this lesson is about derivatives of logarithmic functions. And for this topic, these are the rules that we have to remember. Number 1, derivative of ln of u equals derivative of u divided by u. Number 2, derivative of log to the base 10 of u equals m over u times derivative of u, where m equals log to the base 10 of e. And number 3, derivative of log to the base a of u equals log to the base a of e divided by u times derivative of u. So in this topic, we are going to use these properties of logarithms. So number 1, log to the base a of m times n equals log to the base a of m plus log to the base a of n. Number 2, log to the base a of m divided by n equals log to the base a of m minus log to the base a of n. And number 3, log to the base a of m to the exponent of p equals p log to the base a of m. So let us have examples. So find y prime and simplify. So we have number 1, y equals ln of 4x plus 3. So number 1, we have y equals ln of square root of 4x plus 3. So we're going to use the rule for the derivative of ln of u. Derivative of ln of u equals derivative of u divided by u. Okay? So let's start. So we have y or y prime equals derivative of u. So our u is this square root of 4x plus 3. In exponent, it is 4x plus 3 to the 1/2. So 4x plus 3 to the 1/2. So divided by u. So our u is square root of 4x plus 3. So for the derivative of 4x plus 3 to the 1/2, we are going to use the general power rule. N u to the n minus 1 and then times derivative of u. So I will have y prime equals, so n is 1/2 and then u is 4x plus 3 raised to n minus 1. So 1/2 minus 1 is negative 1/2. And then times the derivative of 4x plus 3, 4. So divided by square root of 4x plus 3. So I'll have y prime. So 4 divided by 2, no? 4 divided by 2 is 2. So I will have 2 and then divided by, so square root of 4x plus 3. And then after that, we are going to bring down this 4x plus 3 to the negative 1/2. So if we do that, we'll have 4x plus 3 to the 1/2. And 4x plus 3 to the 1/2 is also equal to square root of 4x plus 3. So we'll have y prime equals, so 2 divided by, so square root of 4x plus 3 times square root of 4x plus 3 is 4x plus 3. So this is now the answer. Okay, so let us have another solution to the problem. So this is solution 2. Solution 2. So our problem is y equals ln of square root of 4x plus 3. So square root of 4x plus 3 is also equal to 4x plus 3 to the 1/2. So ln of 4x plus 3 to the 1/2. So before we get the derivative, we are going to apply property of logarithm. So we're going to use log to the base a of n to the exponent of p equals p log to the base a of n. So applying that property of logarithm, then we will have y equals 1/2 ln of 4x plus 3. After that, we now find the derivative. So I'll have y prime equals 1/2. So derivative of ln of u equals derivative of u over u. So we're going to use again this rule now. So we'll have derivative of u 4x plus 3 divided by u 4x plus 3. So if we get the derivative of 4x plus 3, the answer is 4. So I will have 4 times 1/2 or over 1/2 times 4x and then plus 3. So 4 times 1/2. So this must be 1/2 must be here, not in the denominator. So 4 times 1/2. It must be here. So 4 times 1/2 or 4 divided by 2 equals 2. So I'll have y prime equals 2 divided by 4x plus 3. So this is now the answer. So for me, this solution 2 is easier than the solution 1. Okay? So let us have example number 2. So number 2 is y equals log number 2 y equals log to the base 10 of x raised to 5 and then times 2x minus 1 raised to 4. 2x minus 1 raised to 4. Okay? So the rule that we are going to use is for the derivative of common logarithm. So derivative of common logarithm, log to the base 10 of u equals m divided by u times derivative of u, where m equals log of e to the base of 10. So ito yung ating m. M equals log of e to the base of 10. Okay? So let us follow the rule. So let us now get to what the y prime. So I'll have y prime equals m divided by u. U is x raised to 5 and then times 2x minus 1 raised to 4. So times derivative of u. So times derivative of x raised to 5 and then times 2x minus 1 raised to 4. Now this is a derivative of a product. Kaya we're going to use the product rule for the derivative of x raised to 5 times 2x minus 1 raised to 4. So what is the product rule? So derivative of u times v is u. It is u times derivative of v plus v and then times derivative of u. Okay? So I'll have y prime equals m divided by x raised to 5 times 2x minus 1 raised to 4. So let's now get the derivative of x raised to 5 times 2x minus 1 raised to 4 following the product rule. So we have x raised to 5 and then times derivative of 2x minus 1 raised to 4 plus 2x minus 1 raised to 4 and then times derivative of x raised to 5. So I'll have y prime equals m, so divided by x raised to 5 times 2x minus 1 raised to 4. So times, so we have x raised to 5. So using the power rule, the derivative of 2x minus 1 raised to 4 is 4 times 2x minus 1 and then 4 minus 1 is 3 and then times derivative of 2x minus 1 2 plus 2x minus 1 raised to 4 and then by power rule the derivative of x raised to 5 is 5x raised to 4. So I will have y prime equals m and then times, so 2 times 4 is 8, so we have 8 x raised to 5 times 2x minus 1 raised to 3 and then plus 5x raised to 4 and then times 2x minus 1 raised to 4 and then divided by, so we have x raised to 5 and then times 2x minus 1 raised to 4. Okay? So I'll have y prime equals, so here we do factoring, no? So there is a common factor, x raised to 4 and then 2x minus 1 raised to 3. So we are going to factor out the common factors, no? So we have y prime equals m. So for common factor x raised to 4. And then common factor also 2x minus 1 raised to 3. Or 2x minus 1 raised to 3. So yung mga natira, so we have 8. So from x raised to 5, we factored out x raised to 4. So natirang x. And then plus 5, natira yung 5. And then from 2x minus 1 raised to 4, we factored out 2x minus 1 raised to 3. So may natira isang 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1. Okay? So divided by x raised to 5 and 2x minus 1 raised to 4. 2x minus 1 raised to 4. So here we can cancel x raised to 4. No? We can cancel 2x minus 1 raised to 3. So we'll have y prime equals, so we have m, and then times 8x plus, and then 5 times 2x is 10x, and then 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. So divided by x and then times 2x minus 1. And then after that, we combine similar terms in our numerator. So we'll have m and then times. So 8x plus 10x is 18x. And then minus 5. And then divided by x and then times 2x minus 1. So this is now the answer. Okay, so let us have another solution to the problem. So let us have solution 2. So our problem y, so this is solution 2. Solution 2. Y equals log to the base 10 of x raised to 5. Log to the base 10 of x raised to 5. And then times 2x minus 1 raised to 4. 2x minus 1 raised to 4. So before we take the derivative of this log to the base 10 of x raised to 5 times 2x minus 1 raised to 4. So let us apply logarithm of a product. So let us apply this rule. So if we have logarithm to the base a of m times n, this is also equal to log to the base a of m plus log to the base a of n. So applying this rule in our given, then we'll have y is also equal to log to the base 10 of x raised to 5 plus log to the base 10 of 2x minus 1 raised to 4. So after that, let us apply logarithm of a power. If we have log to the base a of m to the exponent of p, it is equal to p log to the base a of m. So applying this property in our problem, then we will have 5 log to the base 10 of x plus 4 log to the base 10 of 2x minus 1. Then after that, we find the derivative. So the rule is derivative of log to the base 10 of u equals m over u and then times derivative of u. Okay, so I will have y prime equals, so we have 5, so m over u, so m over u, our u in the first term is x, so times derivative of x plus 4, so times m over u, our u in the second term is 2x minus 1, and then times derivative of 2x minus 1. Okay, so we'll have y prime equals 5m divided by x, and then derivative of x is 1, so times 1 plus 4m and then divided by 2x minus 1, and then derivative of 2x minus 1 is 2. So here we have a common factor m, so let us factor out m. So we'll have m, and then 5 times 1 is 5, and then over x plus 2 times 4 is 8, so over 2x minus 1. So I'll have y prime equals m, so we're going to add 5 over x plus 8 divided by 2x minus 1. So our LCD here is x times 2x minus 1. So the LCD, x times 2x minus 1 divided by x is 2x minus 1. So we're going to multiply it to 5. So we'll have 5 times 2x minus 1. And then x times 2x minus 1, our LCD, divided by 2x minus 1 equals x. And we're going to multiply it to 8. So I'll have 8x. So I will have y prime equals m, and then 5 times 2x minus 1 is 10x, and then minus 5, and then plus 8x. So divided by x, and then times 2x minus 1. And then combining similar terms in our numerator, then we have m, so 10x plus 8x is 18x, and then minus 5, and then divided by x, and then times 2x minus 1. So this is now the answer, which is the same from our first solution. Okay, Okay, next number 3. Let's solve problem number 3. So number 3 is y equals log to the base 4 of sine t divided by 3t squared plus 4. Okay, let us solve it here. So number 3. So this is example number 3. Y equals log to the base 4 of sine t divided by 3t squared plus 4. Sine t divided by 3t squared. This is 3t squared. 3t squared plus 4. Okay? So let us see again the problem, So number 3, y equals log to the base 4 of sine t divided by 3t squared plus 4. Okay? So let us solve the problem now. So we're going to use the rule. We're going to use